Okay, so deciding, am I going to get cosmetic surgery or am I not, is a really big decision to make. And here's another one. When? Yes, when should be part of your decision because it's a big deal. We're going to find out why the when can be important. Dr. Mary Herte is board certified plastic surgeon, and we've got a lot of questions for her. Thank you so much for joining us. How you doing?
I'm good. Thanks for having me.
Hey, thank you so much for being here. Let's get right down to it, Doc, because summer months are coming up, and I'm sure you probably see a spike in appointments at your place. So when is the best time to schedule a cosmetic procedure and why?
Well, right now we're looking at the summer coming up and people want to look great in their bathing suit,
Yeah.
be ready for the vacation, the summer adventures, all of those things. So right now, body sculpting, really important. Breast enhancement, probably number one right now.
Wow.
Because you want to look great in that bikini.
All right. Never bought one in my life, Doc. We'll talk later. Okay.
Well, any bathing suit, the nightmare of shopping for bathing suit for
Yes.
women, it really helps a lot to have, you know, the right look in the breast area.
Absolutely, I agree. Hey, someone might mark their calendar for the day of their surgery, but they should also include dates after surgery. Of course, we're talking about recovery. And tell everybody why recovery is so very important.
Well, I think the most important thing about recovery is that you can accelerate your recovery if you pay attention to your body right away. So if you spend that first week really babying yourself, listening to your body, you're going to be rapidly back into mainstream, and that's what we like to see. So we're very cautious about telling our patients, you know, really pay attention to your body, listen to directions, be careful with yourself. Don't try to go back to work too soon. You need that time for your body to recover. Our bodies are still at version 1.0, no matter how much technology we have. So the technology helps us to get better procedures, but we still recover at the same slow pace, so we have to be attentive.
That's a really interesting point to make. I never heard anybody say it like that. All right, so we're talking consult, surgery, and recovery. You do something different. You take the patient all the way through all of these, including recovery. A lot of doctors don't do that. I've had some, you know, plastic surgery or breast reduction, tummy tuck, and they don't take you all the way through that. Why do you do that?
I think it's important to have the number one educated person really paying attention to your care during the entire process. And I think that the doctor really needs to identify what do you need, you know, what's best for you, what's your lifestyle, really get to know you before we just pronounce what procedure you should have. So in the beginning, you really need to have a relationship with your plastic surgeon. Then after that, I need to be the one to identify early if there's any problems. Is there something we can do proactively to get you mainstreamed much faster? So I think my care is very important to your fast recovery.
I love it. All right, folks, for more information, you heard it. It is the Herte Center for Cosmetic Surgery. The number is 702-732-9600. Thank you so much, Doc.
Oh, well,
appreciate it. All right,